When you are deciding between Procreate and Affinity Designer for iPad, it really comes down to how you like to create and what kind of projects you work on. Both apps are favorites among iPad Pro artists, and both have their own style, strengths, and workflow that appeal to different kinds of creators. Procreate shines for painting and illustration. It offers a powerful painting engine that handles high-resolution canvases and detailed brushes. Artists can make expressive strokes with pressure, tilt, smoothing, and custom brushes. It also supports animation frames, 3D model painting, and has features like shape corrections or drawing guides that help create precise shapes or perspective grids. The interface is intuitive, built for the iPad from the ground up, so you can draw freely with few distractions and get into the flow quickly. Affinity Designer is more of a design powerhouse for vector work, but also supports raster pixel editing. You can switch between vector and pixel personas in the same document, working with shapes, text, and precise curves or nodes, then painting or applying raster brushes. It supports advanced color models, non-destructive editing, export to many file formats, and strong resolution independence thanks to vector. That makes it great for logos, print design, technical illustration, or combining artwork that must scale without losing quality. In the end, your best choice depends on your creative needs. If your focus is freeform painting, sketching, concept art, or expressive illustration, Procreate may feel more natural and fluid on the iPad. If you need scalability, crisp vectors, or workflows that combine precision design with raster textures, Affinity Designer is more versatile. Many professional illustrators use both apps depending on the task. Choose based on whether you need more freedom or more precision in your illustrations.